All right. So there were a couple indications when the low was going to be in. One was a big one that I actually missed, and we're going to see it. But there were a couple others that you'll see, and but you got to be paying attention for them. First of all, a big sell order comes in, and it loads up a bunch of sell stops, which in most cases, sell stops are the order types used to get out of a long position and generally for a loser. In this vertical right here, you're going to see a big green kick out, which are longs puking, longs exiting. Boom, right there. How do I know it's big? Because it only looks that size right here. Is I look up there real quick. This is over the last 8 hours and it's scaled. So if I roll up and I see it's by far the biggest long puke of the session, I know there's a lot less longs. And by the equation that you do, less longs equal what? Less sellers. And less sellers is always important for price to maybe go up. And so that is something that's important. And because it was the biggest by far long puke of the session or over the last 8 hours, that's step one, that this could be an area where the market is going to rally from. Second thing was a big 500 lot seller here that often could be a magnet. All right. But here's the one that was interesting. A iceberg red seller comes in, two purple box sellers of a 500 lot and 120 lot come in. And it doesn't mean, okay, buy it. The lows are in, but you start getting ready. And what you want to see is a bunch of shorts come in, and we get a flicker, we could call it. I want you to see this, a flicker of too many greens to too many reds. And it was probably right in here. Let's play it in real time, because if you're thinking that this could be the bottom and at least could go up to this 500 lot, right here is too many greens, and then all of a sudden reds creep in, the laser goes from green to red. But then there was also this flicker where you're going to see these greens just file down and reds fill in, and it's like, okay, all the little Johnnies are looking for the downside right there. And let's just back that up a second. Let's back that up. There we go. So watch it. You can see the reds come in a little bit more, greens file down, the laser go red right there. Right there. So now that's a good indication that the upside might be the right side. You don't want greens coming in, and we get this thing to go up. That's not random. That's not hindsight. You're getting what you need, the ingredients to make it taste a certain way, right? And then it becomes a little scientific and it tastes a certain way. Well, you can only introduce so much science into trading because there's a lot of art, and the art is the emotions of people being in the wrong position. Too many shorts will go up. Less longs because of this big puke at 77 even. Less longs equal less sellers. More shorts equal more buyers. I don't know about you, but those are the two things you need for price of anything to go up: more buyers and less sellers. Remember, you're either in our group or on our charts.